Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to do a few little Christmas decors. This is a board that I had from last year, and as you can see I'm adding a few more small Christmas trees to what I've already had. This, and I have the little church, so I decided to glue it on as well. And I got this really from the small Christmas trees, the little box I showed you. I got that from Amazon, which I will have it in my description below. And I thought it was cute. The board is kind of uneven or whatever, but it gives me that little wintry look, the vintage look that I'm going for. So, you can sit it on a fireplace, wherever you decide. But this is the first one that I made. And the next one, I got this wood circle from the Dollar Tree. So, and this is some the plaid paper that I got, buffalo check, I'm sorry. And I got some scraps of that, and I got that from Amazon. So I have a few, so I decided that I would Mod Podge that on top of the circle that I got from the Dollar Tree, which it turned out it was kind of very close in size. So the top didn't go all the way, but I wasn't worried about that because I was going to be putting some flowers and bows at the top. So it did turn out to be just fine toward the end. So right here, once I get it Mod Podge down, then I add my little decor to the top. And there was something very quick that, like I said, you can add it to your fireplace, your mantle, any place that you want to. These little small decors, they really help your Christmas decoration, I feel. So I really, really enjoyed making this. It was something that was kind of quick and simple, and like I said, I will have in my description below the scrap. It was different colors. It was the red and black, yellow and black, and but I will have all of that, the buffalo check, in my description below. So I use it different holiday seasons or whatever. So I decided to use the red and black here, and I'm going to Mod Podge it down as I said. And this one is a water base. I just want to be honest with you. When I'm shopping for Mod Podge, I just pick it up. I don't look at, but I guess you should, because it's for different things, I guess. So, but anyway, this was the one that was for wetness or whatever it was. So, but anyway, I just got this one, and I decided I'll just use what I had here with the Mod Podge. And you can also use, which I have, and it turned out really nice, is the glue sticks that you get from, that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have used those to give you a nice smooth finish. So I do like that about it, so it turns out to be just fine. So I'm just going to put that over there and get started. Okay, and right here, I'm just putting a little more of the Mod Podge on the top. And I was having a problem with my camera before. I don't know what was going on with it. But anyway, we're going to get back with this. So I got the little greenery from this here. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And so the little, picks, we called it. So I decided I'm going to put that together. And I really like these little picks. And that's something else you can use with all of your decor, whatever you want to do, you can definitely do that with it. So I decided to put these two together, at which I'm going to put it on the very top. Is the reason why I really wasn't really worrying about the top and how it looked, because I knew that I would be using that. So we're just gonna finish with that. Um, Like I said, you can add as many as you want to, but I ended up having, because it wasn't really gluing together, so I just decided to clip off the ends because I really didn't need those anyway, and it makes gluing much easier with it. So I glued these two, and two or three of them I put together, and then I'm just gonna add a bow on the top. Sometimes you get a little carried away when you start adding this, that, and the other to it, and it turns out to be cute. And I have it sitting on my fireplace. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I haven't had the opportunity to really edit lately because I had my knee surgery. I think I spoke on that before, and which I'm doing fine. Um, so that kind of slowed me down some. So, but I'm back now trying to get it together for the Christmas. I hope everybody Thanksgiving was wonderful. I had a wonderful time with my family and celebrating Thanksgiving together. So right here is the Let It Snow sign. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And sometimes we don't have to do anything to some of the little decors you find from the Dollar Tree. Just add it to whatever you're doing. Sometimes I know we do as crafters redo the whole thing over, but sometimes you can just keep it as is and add to your decor. And this is finishing it up here. I put the bow there, and this, I guess you call these a little rope. I'm not really sure. I picked them up before, really didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to make a little bow to go on top. I had a small bit of a problem because of the I tied the bows with the I'm tongue tied now, but with the little plastic piece here, but it wouldn't glue to that. So naturally, I had to try to figure out something else. So I ended up putting a little glue in the lace on top of the clip there. And I hate I can't remember the name of this here, but it's some sort of rope, or whatever. But I decided to glue it here. But with the tie clips, um, naturally you can't always glue to this, and so that's one problem I was having. It wouldn't stay to there, so I had to end up adding a little small piece of lace material just to stick on the clip. And I think I'm saying it wrong, tie clips. I just cannot think of clip ties or whatever we call them. I'm just like tongue tied and can't remember right now, but you get the idea because you all have used it before, and but it wouldn't stay. So I ended up taking a little piece of the lace material and put it on top of the tie here, so that way it will stick to that. And so it ended up working out just fine, and I thought it was the cutest, something so very simple. You'll be surprised when we get through adding this and doing that, how your mind start working with trying to do things. So it's something simple, but it turned out really cute. And then here I would add also um, a little small ornament to that I got from the dollar store. Also, the little small ones, and I like crafting with those because I really don't really use them on my Christmas tree. But I thought it would turn out. It turned out nice with that as well. So I'm just going to, and I think I had to end up. I was just having a problem with getting different things to glue together. After a period of time, it becomes comical to you. So I end up clipping the ends off and gluing it together so it held better, you know, onto the bow without the little silver piece on the top of it. So because sometimes it don't always work, but it ended up giving me a little small amount of trouble, if you want to even call it that. But it turned out to be really nice, and I enjoyed the outcome of it. And I have it on my fireplace, as I said, and it turned out to be really nice. So I liked it that, and I thought it was cute. And this is the finishing of my round board and my little Christmas tree with the little church. I thought it was cute as everything. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.